and it's the darker
coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win.
Hi everybody, it's your girl Mendys, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to use the Revolution X Patricia Bright palette, which I love, and I'm going to use the Revolution X Tammi palette, which I love as well. These palettes are great palettes, really affordable, great pigmentation, great texture, great everything. So it's a must, okay? For everybody that's new to my channel, welcome guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see in my next video. Mwah. Okay guys, so let's start the video. First things first, I already did my eyebrows off camera, as I always do. And now I'm going to conceal my eyes. To conceal my eyes, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color 83. I'm just going to apply some concealer on my eyelids. Now it's time for the fun part of makeup, and it's doing my eyeshadow. I'm going to start with the Revolution X Patricia Bright eyeshadow palette, and I will be using the color Reckless, which is this beautiful purple. I'm dabbing it at first. I'm pressing the eyeshadow on my lips because my eyeshadow is still wet, so we're not gonna blend yet. So I'm first dabbing eyeshadow. You can see how pigmented the purple is, which is really beautiful. For the next color that I'm going to use, I'm using the Revolution X Tammi Tropical Carnival Shadow Palette. I'm using this purple, which is the color Girlies. Really pretty. I love this palette as well because it's pigmented AF. And I'm basically going to use this color to blend out the purple that I've used before. Now I'm going back in the darker purple, the Reckless color from the Patricia Bright palette, and I'm just dabbing it a little bit because of the blending process. That color faded away a little bit, so I'm just going back and forth between the two colors to blend everything nicely together. For the next step, I'm doing a half cut crease using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color 83, because y'all already know what I use, okay? Now I'm going to use this Revolution makeup palette. I'm going to use this beautiful purple color. I'm using that color to fill up my cut crease. Let me see how it will look. Okay. Makeup is always ugly before it turns into something beautiful. So I'm going to do my other face off camera. My other face, bitch, you only got one face to put. I'm going to do my other eye off camera. Be right back. For my next step, I will be using the color Reckless from the Revolution X Patricia Bright palette. And it's the darker purple that I've used, and I'm using it to blend out the edges. Now I'm going to bring the color Girlies of the Tammi palette a little bit back. Now I'm going to use some glitters, and
I'm making a mix of
I'm going to mix big chunky glitters with a little bit of blue and a little bit of pink glitters. And I'm using some lash glue as my glue to apply my glitters. Oh, I like it already. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm going to apply false eyelashes. I'm not completely done yet with my eyes, so be right back, okay? Now I'm moving on to the face, and I'm using the NYX Shine Killer Primer, which feels great to the skin. And I'm just rubbing this primer into my face, and I'm using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation in the color Deep Sable. I really love this foundation, and it's so affordable, so win-win. It applied really messy. but that's okay. And I'm using my brush. For my next step, I'm using my Eyelook Pro Concealer in the color 83 to conceal my face. And I'm using my damp beauty blender to blend my concealer out. To contour my face, I'm using my PS liquid concealer in the color Rich Espresso. And I'm using a flat brush to blend it out. Now I'm going to use my banana green loose powder to set my concealer, and I'm using the blending brush from a couple minutes ago to apply it on my face. And I'm dabbing loose powder in. I'm going to use the bronzer, which is this color. My nose is always dripping when I'm doing my makeup. It's crazy. Now I'm going back into the eyeshadow palettes to retouch everything and to finish my look. Let me see. I'm going to start with the color Reckless from Patricia Bright, from the Revolution X Patricia Bright makeup palette. And I'm tapping it a little bit off because this palette is so pigmented and I don't want to overdo my look. So I'm kindly doing my edges. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing with the color Girlies from the Tammi, from the Revolution X Tammi palette. Put it a little bit more up here. Now I'm using a flat brush and I'm going in with the color Reckless to do my under eyes. For my inner corners, I will be using the color Calypso. I'm going to use my Bronze and Glow palette to let my face glow on coin. And I'm using this highlighter to do that. Beautiful. So this is it for this look. Bro, I forgot my lips. I'm going to use this purple lip liner, which I got from a drugstore, and I'm going to okay. I'm going to outline my lips. For the rest of my lips, I'm using this lipstick, which is actually from Primark, and it's called In the Buff. Now I'm using some clear lip gloss to go over it. This is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching.